Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now, because as you're watching this video, Bitcoin could be making this major move, or at least in the next 24 to 48 hours, based on what I'm seeing on the charts. Check this out. With Bitcoin inside of this range, with a breakout confirmation above 31,300 hourly and 4-hour candles is what we're waiting for. This is also the previous weekly open, or a breakdown confirmation would be coming below 28,000. We are still inside of this tight range, but look, Snipers, Ethereum to Bitcoin right now, coming down to test an extremely important support here at 65,000 Satoshis. This might force Bitcoin to make a move. That's why I'm expecting it here very soon. The Bitcoin dominance chart also pushing up right now, indicating that altcoins are moving into Bitcoin. We have to ask ourselves, why are altcoins moving into Bitcoin? Is this next move, which might be forced here in the next 24 to 48 hours based on what's happening to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin dominance, is it going to be a move to breach the lows that we recently saw at 26,700 when Luna collapsed? Or are we going to be seeing an overall push to the upside with altcoins moving into Bitcoin and Bitcoin strengthening in value? These are both on the table. That's how Bitcoin dominance could push up with altcoins pushing down. It could be either the overall market moving up and Bitcoin outperforming altcoins, or the altcoins right now are either hedging against downside or sideways price action by moving into Bitcoin, which is a larger market cap. And if we did see any downside, it would experience a lot less downside than altcoins. Who knows? But what we know is right now, the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart and the Bitcoin dominance is giving us a clue that in the next 24 to 48 hours, we are going to get our answer. And so Bitcoin moving sideways inside of this range, you could either be long or short. I am personally long with a tight stop loss at 28,000 US dollars. I believe that when Luna collapsed, that could be a psychological bottom, at least in the immediate short term, to test 34,788, which would be a 10% move to the upside, getting just a confirmation above 31,300. It's going to be a very important 24 to 48 hour, Snipers. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support these updates. And outside of that, I will mention this, the S&P 500, as Bitcoin has been moving sideways at 1.4 new lows, Bitcoin showing clear strength against the S&P 500. We are starting to see the S&P 500 calm down. We're not seeing continued downside. And so we'll continue to monitor this. There are 2 days left for the equity markets and the regular trading sessions. And so we need to see either the S&P 500 at least get above the monthly open to at least have some bullish favor and bias in the markets over the next 2 days. We'll continue to monitor that. But right now, we are still moving sideways. The DXY is pulling back after the FOMC meeting. You can see we haven't yet seen a strong reaction with the DXY. It's still calm. As a matter of fact, it's doing what we'd want it to do to expect upside in the equity markets and Bitcoin by starting to come below this major previous resistance, which couldn't hold as support. And that tells me that the DXY could really start to calm down here. Maybe this was even the top. And we predicted this with the bearish divergence that recently formed for the DXY. It's not a surprise for those tuned into the Snipers channel. The #1 cryptocurrency technical analysis on the internet. Thank you all for tuning in to our update today. Let's see what happens. It looks like Bitcoin wants to make a move very soon because altcoins are moving into Bitcoin right now. It's very clear. That's why Bitcoin dominance is moving up. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is coming down to test 65,000 Satoshis, which is an extremely important level. Let's see what happens. I believe that this next move is coming maybe while you're watching this video. Let's see. Until next time, Snipers, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support these 4-dimensional updates, and I'll see you next time, Snipers.